Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, we'll try to do the Game Turbo 4.0 in the Poco F3 GT device. This is a question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. Just yesterday I did upload a video friends on the explaining the tips and tricks and all the features related to the Game Turbo 4.0. Let's see how well the Game Turbo 4.0 gonna work in this Poco F3 GT. So the main thing is that whether the Game Turbo 4.0 got integrated with the shoulder buttons or not to customize. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first thing, let me need to enable the Game Turbo. Let's check whenever you try to open two buttons at the same time, the Game Turbo should open automatically. Let's say whether it's working or not. As you can see right now, yes. This is a Game Turbo 4 which is working absolutely fine without any kind of issues. So overall in terms of the experience you won't see much kind of difference. So everything exactly remains same as it is. As you can see friends, same kind of modes and same kind of customization is actually there when compared with the previous. Nothing much got changed at this moment. Everything is pretty same, but the main change has been happened in terms of the gameplay. So whenever you try to play the game, so let me show you exactly when you swipe the Game Turbo toolbar. As you can see from left to right, you can get this kind of new type of interface which is a Game Turbo 4.0 interface. As you can see exactly, these are interface which looks, and when compared with the previous interface, so this is how the previous interface looks like. As you can see, Game Turbo 3.0 and Game Turbo 4.0, how different it is in terms of the interface. As you can see friends, so right now let me try to exactly show you whether we got any kind of customization option for the shoulder buttons or not to customize this shoulder buttons. That is what my main motive of making this video, just to check whether it's compatible or not. Right now in the bottom you can clearly see shoulder buttons option, setting up for the gaming controls. As you can see, and there's a voice changes, there's a timer option as well. Let me try to select the shoulder buttons, and once you select the shoulder buttons you will get similar kind of option which is available, which is same kind of customization. You can actually do it. As you can see friends, exactly same. There's nothing much changed at this point in the Game Turbo 4.0 apart from the interface which got really big instead of a small toolbar on the top, because most of the people they did like that small toolbar on the top only, because this type of toolbar is covering entirely the game. As you can see, close to 40% of the screen is right now covered just with only this Game Turbo 4.0, which is not that great I would say, because in my opinion previously it used to be really very small. As you can see friends, which used to be really good, and right now it's kind of really big, and which will definitely block a lot of the gameplay in the background as well. That's one thing. So you don't get any kind of GPU percentage. You can only see the CPU percentage only, 39%. You don't get any kind of GPU percentage, as you can see. So which can be seen in the previous versions in some phones. So GPU percentage, but that is missing quite here. And you can see the real-time FPS meter, that's also good. And here you do have the balanced and performance mode as well. If you want, you can enable the performance mode, and you can do the testing as well in case if you want to play any kind of games. And you can actually control the brightness, not bad, and the enhancement of the display colors as well. Its option is available here clearly, and these are the floating window options which you can actually use, which works fantastic without any kind of issues. That should not be any kind of issues at all. But overall friends, I think the Game Turbo 4.0 is really compatible with this Poco F3 GT at this point, and very soon I'll try to make another video as well how to install the Game Turbo 4.0 in your MI phones, in any MI phones. That is what I meant. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. One more thing, I need to test the Antutu benchmark test using this Game Turbo 4.0 in this Poco F3 GT. This is going to be really interesting test for me, because it's my first time doing this kind of Antutu benchmark test. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.